Whenever you separate yourself from the crowd and speak in front of people, that is public speaking. I'm going to cover this topic in this video. What is public speaking? Public and speaking. Public speaking. Like I told you, when you separate yourself from the crowd and stand, it's a public speaking. Guys, I recall one incident when I got an opportunity to speak, to address my fellow colleagues when I was in a corporate. It was some 4 years back when I had got an opportunity to, address my fellow colleagues. I just can't tell you in the words that what was the situation and the way I was, I was shivering like anything. Okay, my legs were shivering. There was a lot of, I felt the definition of, I got the definition of anxiety that day. What is anxiety? I was literally very shocked when I got the reaction. It was a hardly 4 to 5 minute talk. And when I just came back on my seat after delivering my speech, yes, obviously I was not prepared because I was not a public speaker. I was not a trained speaker at that time. The way I am speaking today is much better, and the way I used to speak was pathetic. And guys, let me tell you, that was a horrible experience, and I was very depressed because I did not get any feedback on my speaking that other day. And somewhere when I just started reading about public speaking, I came to know about the various tricks and techniques, various the tools which is to be used to be a good public speaker. And I realized that I went on the stage without preparation. I went on the stage without having a single single word or single bit of the knowledge of public speaking. And I should not have gone on the screen, which I strongly believe at that moment. So public speaking is something when you are sharing your thought, you are organizing your thought and sharing in front of people. That is called public speaking. But a public speaking has a very good tools and technique. It has some method, it has follow some methodology to deliver your content in a more appropriate way. You just cannot, without preparation, you just cannot stand in front of people and start speaking. It requires lot of practice. It requires your content to be good. It requires whenever your thoughts are arranged in a proper manner. And the least but not last is how to deliver your content. It is equally important. Yes, so many things in public speaking. Public speaking consists of a good body language. Public speaking consists of facial expression. Public speaking consists your content. Public speaking is all about your how you deliver your thought. Guys, there is a simple formula of public speaking, that is 7, 38 and 55. This is the ratio. So you won't believe only 7% is the content, where I am emphasizing on content, but content is just contributing 7%. So you would definitely like to ask, what consists the major part? So let me tell you, body language consists the major part. The way you speak, the way you look at the camera, the way you carry yourself on the screen, on the stage. If you are talking on the stage, it's how you carry your body, and if you talking on the screen, how you carry your overall hand position, shoulder position, correct? The way you speak, the way you move on the stage. So body language plays an important role. It covers almost 55%. So guys, public speaking means organizing your thought to deliver in a given span of time. There is a 7 minutes framework, as you must be knowing that gain a public, to be a public champion, public speaking champion, you should have that, you know, time framework. You should follow that time frame, that you should able to deliver your content within 7 minutes. So time frame. So yes, body language consists the most important part, but the time frame where you are delivering your content the most effective way in a 7 minutes. So according to me, public speaking is speaking with the public. And let me tell you, the only way you can speak, you can learn public speaking, that is public speaking. This is Vishal More signing out until we next. Thank you.